Creating a first-person cutscene can be hard, especially if you're new to game development, but with the right tools and a bit of guidance, you can create a polished and engaging cutscene that will enhance the player experience. We will go through all the necessary steps from animating to scripting. To begin with, you need to import the model provided in the description into your game and open Moon Animator. Once you have done that, select your rig and choose the rig option. This will ensure that the character's movements are smooth and natural. Next, add a camera to your scene and click the three dots from the drop-down menu. Select Attach to Part and double tap the Attach to Part and press 7 on your keyboard. Now, select the head part in the rig and choose Select. This will attach the camera to the character's head so that the player's view matches the character's perspective. You can use the keyframe editor in Moon Animator to create a realistic and engaging head movement animation. Once you're happy with the animation, press 5 on your keyboard and it should export the files. Open the rig and animation saves. Right-click on the animation inside of it and select Save to Roblox. Make sure to name it, and the owner of the animation needs to be the same as the owner of the game. With this, we conclude the animation part of the tutorial, and now it's time to move on to the scripting. The first step is to load the animation into the animate variable associated with the humanoid character in the game. This step is like preparing the character to perform an animation. Next, the script fetches runService, which tracks the game's runtime and the current camera in the workspace. Let's define a function named cutscene. Inside this function, we will play the animation and set up an event listener to detect when the animation stops. The boolean variable animation ended is then toggled to true when the animation concludes. While the animation is still playing, the camera position is continuously adjusting to match the character's head. This ensures that the player's views remains consistent and realistic throughout the scene. After confirming the animation has ended, the camera type is changed to a custom type, which implies a shift in the perspective and behavior in the in-game camera. This is used to put the camera back onto the player. Finally, the script initializes the cutscene by calling the cutscene function. This will trigger the animation and camera movement. In conclusion, creating a first-person cutscene using Moon Animator by following these steps outlined in this tutorial and experimenting with your own ideas and techniques, you can create engaging cutscenes that will leave a lasting impression on your players. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and join our Patreon community to access all the scripts for only $7 per month.